guys, what's up? We're going to be playing Buildable today, and I'm going to do all of my boats. I'm a pro at this game, and as you can see, I'm a royal member. It's really easy to become a royal member. All you need to do is become a member from Chill Studios, and you need to follow him. Then you have to make, and then every time you make it to the end and rejoin Buildable, your tag ups the level. So first one we're going to be doing is the dragon. This is a frost dragon from Adopt Me. I just created this for fun because I never had jets before. Now, let's see if it can make it to the end. Okay. When you make like a plane or something in this game, you want to make sure that you don't go through the stages, because when you go through the stages, it actually goes pretty slow. See, we're going slower, and now look how fast we go when we're up. Oh my goodness. That was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. Oh, I think the dragon has malfunctioned. I have never heard anyone say a dragon malfunctioned. A dragon. I think I just wasted like 70% of my jet power. So this is kind of how long it would take someone to get to the end. Please don't cut me off at the crystal. Please don't cut me off. And please don't cut me off at the science lab. What I mean by cut off is that I don't want like... Oh, come on. We just had to run out of jet. Oh, and we died. Ouch. Well, that was funny. But guys, at the end of the video, I am going to be showing you how to make the mechanics and stuff of how to make a proper working like battle mech. It's not really proper, but it's just for fun. It can attack. But if you hate servos, then you could just do hinges. Next dragon we're going to be doing is the Thunder Dragon. This is just a remake, but it looks like a bee. I don't know why I called it thunder. It looks like a bee, not like a thunderstorm. I tried to make it look like a thunderstorm, but it just looks like a bee. I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do. We're just going to do this, and then when we get up, magnet grinder. I was not expecting that. Now let's take off. Yeah. I don't know why. Oh god, we went through the stages. I think there's 2 of these stages. Oh, that's loud. No, we're going under. Okay, we found the trench stage. There's a secret in here when you walk behind there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh shoot, we're going into stage. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Yas. Yas. Ooh, I'm so scared that they're like gonna run out. I wish the jets didn't have to run out. I wish that was the only way. Oh no, we're back where we were last time. Where we did oof. Not almost, we did. We did oof. Please don't tell me we're gonna die. I hate when that fills up. It just looks like an eyesore to me. No! I was actually expecting it to cut out at that point, so no point of saying no. Oh, our eye is gone. But we might still be able to make it to the end. Come on. Come on. Come. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Why is it breaking without even touching anything? My friend has a dragon. His is bigger than mine. But honestly, his dragon's tail is weak for some reason. I don't know if it's how he did the rotation or something else. Okay, we're back up. Quick, quick, quick. No, why? Why did it cut me off? I don't know if it happened to you guys, but I barely saw anything. Our jet is gone. What? Oh, I'm laggy. You guys gotta choose sometimes. I said, but no one listened. I said, why am I dying? I said that you have to comment the game I am going to be playing. No one answered or commented on that video except for my friend Shay. He just said wow. He didn't say what game I should play, he just said wow. So I just went on and decided on my own, since no one cared. I don't know if just people subscribe because they're in my family. Oh no, we're gonna die. And we're gonna die. If you are not in my family, comment down below. Because I don't know who else watches my content. I just call them viewers. They are my viewers. Next, we're going to be looking at the Aeronax. I just called it that because I thought it was cool, but it's actually a catamaran. Yes, it's a catamaran. Oh, yeah, I forgot I put that there. I think this is going to take a very long time. So we're just going to check out the build. That was really funny because I said I'm going to be doing all my stuff. But I didn't really intend. And I forgot about this build. I don't even know if these jets can even handle that. Like, this is like every single one of my titanium. And titanium is metal. And until you need to do weight. You need to show us how much weight things have. Yes, you do. And I did not hate. Sorry if you think I did, but I did not try to hate. Save. Ah! Get me in the pilot seat. Am I inside? Nope. Just sit me down. Oh, I'm frozen. I gotta redo this. I always freeze and then I just see this gray screen. I think that's from Roblox Studios. Now on this tablet I do not have Roblox Studios. They say it automatically downloads after you buy Roblox or something. Or download it. You don't really buy it on this device. It's an app you get that allows you to buy something. Just let me sit in my pilot seat, please. 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 Ah! On. Please let me sit in the seat. I won't cause any harm, Roblox. Guys, we're gonna have to pass this one just because I can't get in the seat. So we're going on to my mix. This is Noisy Boy from Real Steel. Not a lot of people have watched Real Steel, but Noisy Boy is like a top Mosquito Robloxer. He was created by Top Mosquito, and he was owned by Ferrari Cove, I think. Wonder if I can actually get in the seat this time. Wait, so if I delete that, we put that again. Put it back here. Oh, it does work. But it doesn't let me sit in the seat. Let me sit in my seat. Please, Roblox. Let me sit in. Why can't I sit in the pilot seat, but I can sit inside my chair? Okay, guys, I think my game is broken. Okay, my game is definitely broken. But today, I'm going to be showing it now. I'm going to be showing you the mechanics, how to make your own robot, because I don't want this video to be too long. If you want to just balance it, you can have it like that. And then just think about how long you want your robot to be. But since everyone sues servos now, we're just going to be using hinges. And if you get mad at me, it's not my fault. It's your fault. Now, I just put this for decoration, but you don't need it. It could be however you want it. Okay. Now, once you have sorted that out, your mech should have everything for decorations. And now what you want to do is fill this in. What you gonna do when they come for you? Okay. Now it's all done. This is all the mechanics you need. I just build bigger ones, but those take half an hour and stuff. And this video cannot be too long, or else something will happen. I know what, but I can't tell you. Now, this is all you need. People were right, the hinges make it much better. When I use servos, it actually goes slower. Wow. This is actually works really well. Now guys, thanks so much for watching. Guys, I'm so sorry about that just now. I just got distracted by my dad. But guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this small, short video. And click the bell, subscribe so you can see more content from me. And like the video if you liked it. share to all your other friends so they can see the videos too, and then they can come and watch my channel. So see you guys later.